These are the warm cobalt blue waters of Tonga, an island nation in the South Pacific. Humpbacks gather here to mate, give birth, and rear their young. For months, adult whales do not eat. Females lose much of their body mass while nursing their enormous offspring. From the tropics, humpbacks then travel thousands of miles to rich feeding grounds in colder seas of both hemispheres. Considering they haven't eaten for half a year, it's a tremendous migration. They undertake this arduous journey for good reason. Whether it's krill in the Antarctic or herring in Alaska, humpback whales need to consume a lot of